damage part ng brain dahilan daw ng overthinking. Ever wonder why hindi mo mapigilan mag-overthink? What if sabihin ko sa'yo it might be due to damage in your brain's prefrontal cortex?
Minsan nga, nagsisisi ko.
Nakaka-curious, di ba? Paano nga ba naapektuhan ng isang bahagi ng utak natin ang ating pag-iisip?
Paano masabi?
The prefrontal cortex is the brain's command center.
Boo! I'll be joy.
It is responsible for decision-making, impulse control, and managing emotion. Pero paano kung may damage ito? Overthinking can be a direct result of this damage.
Oh my fucking god!
Nawawalan ka ng kontrol